Okay, your final exam will be to create a Hangman game. When you click play, the first thing that's going to come up is to enter a phrase. So you'd have one of your friends do this. We'll just put in a phrase here. Should be all letters, no punctuation. And you hit return, and it's going to print several blank lines so that the phrase goes way up the top of the screen so they can't see it. So unless they scroll up to look at it. So it says, "Welcome to Hangman." There's a gallows that is going to be printed out there, and it says, "Guess this word phrase," and it gives you blanks for every letter and spaces where there's spaces in the phrase. You got to figure out how to always print that out. Here's a previous guesses. There'll be all your guesses will be inside these brackets that you have put. And you can either enter a letter or you type in the whole answer. When you want to win, you need to type in the whole answer. Even if you guess all the letters and the whole thing and you see the phrase, you still need to type in the entire answer for it to work. So we'll just type in an S, and you'll see that there's now a head on the gallows. There was no S in there. Previous guess is S, so we've lost one. So enter another letter. So we'll do F. And there is an F right in there, and so it doesn't take any more body parts on the gallows, and it has the F in there. What happens if I choose F again? It puts the F, another F in there in your previous guesses, and it actually takes a point off, so it puts on the body of the person. So you got to make sure that that works. If they choose the letter that they've already chosen because they weren't paying attention, then it needs to punish them for that. We'll use some vowels. O. There's an O. An R. Good. There's a C. There is a C. G. No G. H. There is an H. T. E. Okay, we got some stuff here. N. There's no N. Z. Y. There is a Y. A. M. Okay. Let's see. X. Nope. So there's a half of a body, got a leg and a foot. You're going to have one more leg and a foot, and then you're going to be done. B. Okay. May the force be. I wonder what this is. I. Okay. Is there? Let's see. Is there a X? Oh no, there's not. I already used an X. That was a mistake. U. Okay, and I think I got it. So I could actually type in a W, and it doesn't say that I've won because I actually have to type in the entire answer. So I'm going to type in "May the force be with you" and hit return, and it says congratulations because you won before you got that last foot on there. Do you want to play again? We'll say yes. Enter a phrase. I'll just say Mr. Herman, and it goes all the way up so that you can't see it. And then I'll start guessing some things. I'll do my. See, that's not going to work. You actually have to type in the whole thing or a single letter. It's the only way that'll work. So I could do X, R, T, Y, W, M, good, N, E, H, I, W, or did W, X, no. Oh, and I got hung. Sorry, you lose. The answer was Mr. Herman. Do you want to play again? I could say no, and it'll say thank you for playing Hangman. So that's how it works. You can try to make it as fancy as you want. See if you can get that thing to work for your final exam.